cigarette cards. It is a cigarette cards. And yeah, first of all, I'll just show you. Okay. So I'll be sending at least one of that, or maybe put a few stamps as well. And I'll be sending my these are my logo, and this is a sticker. I just need to cut it and then send you one of each. I think this one as well. See, just need to cut it, and one more. I think yeah, this one. So I'll send you a few stickers of my channel, and these are cigarette cards. These are mostly yes, cigarette cards, but mind you, I mean it's just cigarette cards. But this is old cigarette cards actually. I think some of it are in the 1920s, as I believe. 1920s. It's an old one. See, I don't even know who these ones are. Yeah, 1920s, 1930s, and probably some are newer. But I was told that this is mostly very old ones. Christmas greeting. It's from Ireland. Doesn't say the dates, but yeah, this is old ones. Wow, very old ones. Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. I was busy lately with work and house renovations, so I didn't manage to do long videos. And at times I'll just put short videos, and they're all on schedule because I know some are waiting for it. So now we're just gonna go through with these collectibles that I have, and just gonna unbox it. And I I hope you like it. And this one, okay, here we go. I'm opening it. It's hard to open that one, but anyway, here it is. So this is a proof coin, I think, a 1986 half dollar. I'm gonna remove it. It's nicely wrapped, and oh, I have to. Okay, here we go. It's all right. Wow, oh, it's very hard to remove it. Anyway, this is a proof coin, I believe. Very nice. It's a U.S. half dollar. It's a 1986 Liberty half dollar proof coin, minted in the San Francisco Mint. Here we go. Yep. It's very nice, lovely. Here we go. Look, it is as we can see, Liberty half dollar, and here we go. Designs. The designer, Dobers and Durbers, Stever and Winter. And the Liberty half dollar specification, minted in San Francisco, and it's 11.34 grams. It's immigrants of the Ellis Island that are waiting to go to New York. So it commemorates the migrants. Here we go. Nice one. So yeah, this is a very nice proof coin, and of course it's about the migrants. Of course, America are mostly made of, I mean, composed of mostly migrants, because the original people there will be the Indians. Here we go. This is another thing that we'll be opening. I had it okay. I don't want to show the back because it said the what do you call that one, information of the sender. I already removed my information, but his information is there. So this one is but look at this. These are nice stamps from 1977, and this one I don't know, maybe the 80s or 90s, and this one as well. Very nice. So these stamps can be used even though it's, you know, it's a bit old. And this one is you know, from time to time people ask me, oh, I like this coin, can I have it? I would love to give the coins that, you know, that they ask, or people ask, but I can't, because it's gonna be lost in the mail anyway. So, and it's not allowed to be sent in mail in here in New Zealand. So by the time they, you know, I put it in the post office and they will see, you know, so they wouldn't like that one. So, and yeah, apart from that, I'm 95% sure that it would be lost in the mail anyway. So this is the one that I can probably, you know, send or give. This is also oh wow, look, oh, lucky I didn't destroy it, because it's also a postage stamp. What do you call this one? Oh, it's a postcard. Okay. So yeah, this is what I will send. These ones, and I will put my email, and then just send your addresses, and I will send it. Ooh, I hope it won't get ripped up. Okay, here we go. He wrapped it in here. It's a shame, because it's, you know, it wasn't used, you see. And this one is an old one as well, you see. Oh, it's sad now. It's cover is from 1897 exhibition catalog cover. Oh, and you'll see here Queen Victoria. Ooh, ooh. Just fold it like that. What? Anyway, yeah, okay. So this is what I will send. Just, you know, just to, you know, to give you as a souvenir, and I will also be sending some of my stickers. Just hang on, I'll get the stickers. So along with these stickers, or with this, by the way, this is what they call cigarette. It's a cigarette. Uh, Cigarette cards. It is a cigarette cards. And yeah, first of all, I'll just show you. Okay, so I'll be sending at least one of that, maybe put a few stamps as well, and I'll be sending my these are my logo. And this is a sticker. I just need to cut it and then send you one of each. I think this one as well. See, just need to cut it, and one more. I think here, this one. So I'll send you a few stickers of my channel, and these are cigarette cards. These are mostly cigarette cards, but mind you, I mean, you know, it's just cigarette cards. But this is old cigarette cards actually. I think some of it are in the 1920s, as I believe. 1920s. It's an old one. See, I don't even know who these ones are. Yeah, 1920s, 1930s, and probably some are newer. But I was told that this is mostly very old ones. Christmas greeting. It's from Ireland. Doesn't say the dates, but yeah, this is old ones. Wow, very old ones. Real cigarette uh, cards. Yeah, these are old ones. So I will be sending these ones, one each, and then few stickers. I'll put my email, because I made a separate email for, you know, for the channel, because I don't want to get hacked. If you follow me a while back, I was hacked. My channel was hacked. My email was hacked, and so I had to change a lot of things. My bank cards and everything, my passwords, and took me a lot of time to sort out in returning my YouTube channel. So I don't even know the real cigarettes. Nice. Post office. Old ones. I think yes, 1920s, 1930s. As far as I see on the information of the auction that I bought this one. So as much as like I said, as much as I like to, you know, to give coins, but I'm positive that it wouldn't reach people I'll be sending. So probably I'll send this one. I'll send these ones and my stickers, just to, you know, just to have given souvenirs. See a date now. So it says 1925 down below. 1925. So it is a very old one. 1925. Nice. And this is a stamp one as well, but South Africa, you see. So it's amazing, you know, how this old, see, South Africa, and it reached here in New Zealand. This is probably newer ones, because it's Nick Paldo. Yeah, Nick Paldo, I don't know, 80s? Champion cigarette. Pure ones. Look, this is a nice Cormac Chapo architectural Player cigarettes. John Player and Sons. Oh, okay. Great Britain and Ireland. Wow. Definitely old ones. See, John Player. 1929. See, these are definitely old one. I mean, yeah. It's not coin I'll be giving, but yeah, this one, eh? Oh, this one's new, 1992. Oh, okay. I don't know this one. Joanne Blondell. Joanne Blondell. Series of 36 photograph. 31. Modern Beauties. All right. Nice. There you go. This is, yeah. Well, I'll be sending to all of you. Yes. Like I said, as much as I'd like to send coins, but it's gonna be it's yeah, it will just get lost, and it's not it's prohibited to be sent here as well. So I'd rather send things that you will receive, not not maybe you will receive or maybe you don't receive. So here we go, and yeah, these ones and my stickers. So yeah, thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very, very good day.